Chief Prosecutor Tajul Islam has said the investigation report on cases of extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearances across the country during the last 3 terms of Awami League government will be submitted to the tribunal within this week. Speaking to the media at ICT, he said everyone will have to face trial. No one will be spared. In response to questions from journalists, the Chief Prosecutor added that the tribunal has accepted charges against Awami League leader Mahbubul Alam Hanif and 3 others in a case related to crimes against humanity. Meanwhile, in Tribunal 1, state-appointed lawyers for Sheikh Hasina and Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal are continuing their second day of cross-examining the investigation officer in a case involving 3 accused, including Sheikh Hasina.